My name is Shanaya Vatsyayan, and I'm your host during this event, the milestone event of the centenary year of Kaivalya Dhama. कैवल्य धाम परिवार की ओर से आप सभी का हृदय से स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है, अभिवादन है। कार्यक्रम के औपचारिक आरंभ से पूर्व आइए शांति मंत्र के साथ हम अपने मन को केंद्रित करें। मेरा सभी से निवेदन है कि आप अपनी कुर्सियों पर पीठ सीधी करके बैठें, अपने हाथों को नमस्कार मुद्रा में ले आएं। मैं साधक रामदास जी एवं कैवल्य धाम के विद्यार्थियों से अनुरोध करूंगी कि वह चित्त शांति एवं विश्व शांति के लिए लाइटिंग अ लैम्प सिंबलाइजेज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ डिवाइन एनर्जी, illuminating the path of righteousness and dispelling darkness from both the physical and metaphysical realms. कैवल्य धाम की परंपरा अनुसार अब हम दीप प्रज्वलन हेतु सभी प्रतिष्ठित अतिथियों को आमंत्रित करना चाहेंगे। हमारी आस्था है कि दीप से निकली प्रत्येक झिलमिलाहट हमारी प्रार्थनाओं को हमारे इष्ट तक ले जाती है। मैं सभी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि कृपया दीप प्रज्वलन समारोह के दौरान आप अपने अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं। थैंक यू एवरीवन। With this lamp lighting ceremony and the divine blessings of the Almighty, we officially begin the 11th International Conference. During this conference, we will witness the experts deliberate on the transformative potential of yoga as a holistic self-care tool addressing various dimensions of human well-being. Through the conference, we also intend to underscore Kaivalya Dhama's commitment to advancing integrative therapies in cancer care. Research reveals that when a yoga-based support mechanism is put in place, yoga can be a game changer. महाजनस्य संसर्गः कस्य नुनति कारकः पद्मपत्र स्थितं तोयं धते मुक्ता फलश्रियम्. For whom is the company of great people not beneficial? Even a water droplet, when on a lotus petal, shines like a pearl. This Sanskrit Subhashita highlights the importance of the type of company we keep. The influence of the people that we accompany is tremendous on us. This conference has given us the opportunity to be in the company of some of the most learned, sought after oncologists, doctors, masters in the field of yoga, and more. We are blessed and honored to have you here. Welcome to Kaivalya Dham once again. Now we request Shri Subodh Tiwari ji, Honorable Secretary and CEO Kaivalya Dhama, to please come to the dais and formally welcome our esteemed guests. Now we humbly request the Chairman of Kaivalya Dhama, Dr. O.P. Tiwari ji, to felicitate our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Pankaj Chaturvedi. May we please join our hands while we felicitate Dr. Chaturvedi. Dr. Chaturvedi ji is the director of the Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education in Cancer, ACTREC, at Tata Memorial Center, Mumbai. Thank you, sir. Subodh sir, may we please request you to present souvenirs and felicitate our eminent guests on the dais. May we have the souvenir for Dr. Satbir Singh Khalsa. Dr. Khalsa is Associate Professor of Medicine, Harvard Medical School, USA. May we now felicitate Dr. K.S. Gopinath. Dr. Gopinath is Padma Shri Awardee, Founder Consultant of HCG Cancer Care Center, Director of the R.L. Jalappa Institute of Oncology, Bengaluru. May we please have the souvenir for Dr. Po Ju Lin. Dr. Po Ju Lin is Assistant Professor, Supportive Care in Cancer at the University of Rochester Medical Center, USA. Most thank you, dignitaries. Kaivalya Dham, where yoga tradition and science meet. You will hear us repeating this because this institution was established by Swami Kuvalayananda ji in 1924 on this very principle. Swamiji wanted to make the knowledge from Patanjali Sutras relevant and accessible to the world. Yoga for all, his dream. Brick by brick, Kaivalya Dham has grown into an institution with a legacy of 100 years. We are pleased to present our growth story through this short video on Kaivalya Dhama. You may look at your TV screens. Institute, Associate Professor of Medicine, Brigham and Women's Hospital, Harvard Medical School in the US, to address our audience. Please welcome Dr. Khalsa. Thank you, Dr. Khalsa. Dr. Khalsa is also a panelist in the panel discussion this afternoon. Do attend that to listen to more of what he has to say on yoga in cancer care. We are honored to share with you that its unwavering commitment to supporting individuals affected by cancer, Kaivalya Dham has been extending yoga's reach and facilitating supportive community engagement through various initiatives. हम टाटा मेमोरियल सेंटर मुंबई, MDTC कमांड हॉस्पिटल पुणे और केयर इंडिया मेडिकल सोसाइटी पुणे जैसे संस्थानों के सहयोग से कैंसर से जूझ रहे लोगों को योग आधारित परामर्श एवं मार्गदर्शन प्रदान कर रहे हैं। कैवल्य धाम कैसे कर्क रोग योद्धाओं के जीवन को बेहतर बना रहा है, आइए इस चलचित्र यानी वीडियो के जरिए इसके बारे में थोड़ा और जानें। That was heartwarming, inspiring. आज हमारे बीच एक ऐसी ही कर्क रोग योद्धा कैवल्य धाम के स्वच्छता विभाग की कर्मचारी श्रीमती सुनीता फतरोड़ जी उपस्थित हैं। आइए जानें उनकी कर्क रोग को परास्त करने की इस असाधारण यात्रा को इस छोटी सी वीडियो के जरिए। अब हम हमारे मुख्य अतिथि डॉक्टर पंकज चतुर्वेदी जी से अनुरोध करते हैं कि वह श्रीमती सुनीता फतरोड़ जी को सम्मानित करें, उनकी हौसला अफजाई करें। Ladies and gentlemen, please have a huge round of applause for our cancer warrior. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए। हमारी कैवल्य धाम की सदस्य श्रीमती सुनीता फतरोड़ जी। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद डॉक्टर चतुर्वेदी जी, धन्यवाद सुनीता जी। हम जिस वीडियो को तकनीकी खराबी की वजह से देख नहीं पाए थे, आइए एक बार अब उसे देखें। What a glorious institution. We are proud to be a part of it. I am proud to be a part of it. May we now invite Dr. Po Ju Lin, Assistant Professor in Supportive Care Cancer at the University of Rochester Medical Center, USA, to say a few words to our audiences. That was Dr. Po Ju Lin. Thank you. For the next address, it is our pleasure to invite Dr. K.S. Gopinath, Padma Shri Awardee, Founder Consultant of HCG Cancer Care Center, Director of the R.L. Jalapa Institute of Oncology, Bengaluru. Thank you, Dr. Gopinath. The year 2024 is the centenary year of Kaivalya Dhama. We take pride in being one of the longest standing institutions in the field of yoga and allied research. With each initiative, each outreach, we have taken a momentous stride towards a century of dedication to yoga. Let us see some of the key highlights of Kaivalya Dham's centenary year celebration journey so far in the video on your TV screens.
Mevaletham.
200 glorious years that we have completed, and to many more. Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest, Dr. Pankaj Chaturvedi, is amidst us. He is the director of the Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education in Cancer, popularly known as ACTRAC, at Tata Memorial Center, Mumbai. He is a leading figure in head and neck oncology. With over 350 peer-reviewed publications, he is recognized among the top 2% of scientists globally by Stanford University. A visiting professor in 32 countries. He focuses on public health, cancer prevention, and tobacco cessation, making substantial contributions to oncology education and patient care initiatives. Without further ado, we are honored to invite Dr. Pankaj Chaturvedi ji for his address. आपका बहुत बहुत आभार डॉक्टर चतुर्वेदी जी. अतः अस्ति प्रारंभ, अंत से ही एक नई शुरुआत होती है. As we conclude this inaugural ceremony, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our guests, chief guests, for gracing this event with your esteemed presence. Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Pankaj Chaturvedi, Director, ACTRAC at Tata Memorial Center, Mumbai. Dr. Sadbir Singh Khalsa, Associate Professor of Medicine, Harvard Medical School, USA. Dr. K.S. Gopinath, Padma Shri Awardee, Founder Consultant of HCG Cancer Care Center, Director of the R.L. Jalappa Institute of Oncology, Bengaluru. Dr. Po Ju Lin, Assistant Professor in Supportive Care in Cancer at the University of Rochester Medical Center, USA. आप सभी का हृदय की गहराइयों से सादर आभार. आदरणीय अतिथिगण, देवियों और सज्जनों, हम आशा करते हैं कि आने वाले 3 दिनों में होने वाले सभी सत्रों के लिए आप उतने ही उत्साहित हैं जितने कि हम. प्रत्येक दिन के अंत में अद्भुत कला से पूर्ण जाने माने कलाकारों द्वारा सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों का आयोजन भी है. हमें पूर्ण विश्वास है कि ये सारे सत्र आपको अन्नमय कोश से आनंदमय कोश की ओर ले जाएंगे. अब हम कार्यक्रम का समापन करेंगे पूर्णमदः मंत्र के साथ. आप सभी से निवेदन है कि आप सीधे बैठ जाएं, अपने हाथों को नमस्कार मुद्रा में रखें, धीरे से अपनी आंखें बंद करें.